or BioLite. And we love fire. A campfire is all about gathering round, but the smoke that comes with it can often get in the way of sticking around. It's time to upgrade your fire with the BioLite Fire Pit. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the BioLite Fire Pit is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire, so you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, the fire pit features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The high-temp coated steel chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames from the palm of your hand with the free BioLite app that talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 24 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and it detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. Utilize the USB port on the side to connect BioLite lighting for a perfect outdoor setup. And when you're not burning, that same USB port doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the fire pit's folding legs and the solar cover's integrated straps make it easy to transport. If you can carry a cooler to your favorite outdoor spot, you can carry this no problem. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The fire pit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill for epic outdoor meals. Fire captivates us, warms us, feeds us, and gathers us. It's one of our oldest tools, and it's time for it to evolve. Discover the BioLite Fire Pit.
Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with our Survivor Filter Pro LE. Our sturdy design is very durable and easy to use for anyone who loves the great outdoors, traveling, or emergency preparedness. Upgrades we've made for the Survivor Filter Pro LE include a 100,000-liter Ultra Filter pre-filter, larger hoses, a convenient new hose clip, and a zippered carrying case. Our system has 3 levels of filtration, which include the 0.1 micron Ultra Filter pre-filter. It blocks out large debris and acts like a barrier to help remove harmful bacteria and protozoa that are larger than 0.1 microns. The Ultra Filter pre-filter can be easily cleaned and backwashed after every trip, up to 100,000 liters. By utilizing our cleanable pre-filter system, the life of the internal filters are greatly extended. Next is the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. Finally, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter, which is designed to help remove the remaining contaminants that make it through the first 2 levels. Once the water has passed through the 3-stage system, independent tests have shown a filtration of 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and a significant reduction of heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters. Take on the outdoors with Survivor Filter.